fashionably late. I could push every goal back, take control back if they'd roll back the rate at which time starts to fly. Never landing or standing by, never taking a break, ever making me retry. We nickel and dime every quarter to two.
Rain outlines your fate. Let me weave you a
But
verse.
maybe it's time to let time pass.
Squall Fury.
If the future is bright, it doesn't shine as bad until it's on. Oh, I feel like a deer in the headlights.
Come to be. Witness my great undertaking.
Deadlights at the end of the fight. It's not fair.
Rain outlines your
blade.
fate.
Past is clear, but it's clear back there.
Wind
What's
rises.
ahead, no one knows. But it's closing in, we swear. Still not in my prime, I have so much to do. But maybe it's time to let time pass through.
Lucky day.
I can't just rewrite decisions when life gets strange. Here we go with my gut, on the door I should shut. I'm unsure, I'd keep exploring this rut. But what's this time without change? Move on.
First forth.
Things never last. Just move on. It goes too fast and the past has passed to move on. No one likes an ending. So what's with the attention?
Cry loud.
Giving them. Why are we spending so much
Feel
time
this ancient
dreading
power.
times instead of letting them? Why do we try to dive the river when the water is what will deliver us where we need to go?
Miscalculation. Burst forth.
We may never know
Let my
why.
guard down.
Time is
my
always
soul.
in limited supply, but will
Witness
if
the
we
power of good work.
get it, if we get it, then let it slip by. It can never rewind. Once you've lost it, it's hard to find. Take the journey in stride.
Know your
When your
place.
plans have been sidelined, every hour
Come to
each
me.
time could begin something
I swear by my sword.
new. So maybe it's time to let time pass.
Rain cutter. Rain
Not
outlines your fate.
passing by, but passing through till the well runs dry. Just passing through.
Wires got crossed when I was about 3. Dad had bloody heavy hands, used them on me. My mama, bless her heart, she gave me a start. She got killed, bad man, dad slipped in a scam. Grew up in the system, bounced a couple homes. This woman, Mary, gifted me hand-me-down clothes. Shy at the start till this guy named Shift You. Had 100 pounds on me, called me Brittle Bones Nicky. Target aim, straight at my face, big house of kids. Credits, cake, rounded up a couple bucks, got it freshly baked. Sat down to dinner, put it right in his face. Right in his fucking face. You're not gonna push me around. You can't get me down, down, down. You're not gonna push me around. You can't get me down, down, down.
Come at the beat.
Witness the power of good luck, rain.
Big roll.
Bounce ahead, couple years, king of my cheers. We fight the block, cheers and pretty girls' beers. Did alright for myself, petty debts I pulled. Dropped out of school, built a circle of bulls. Needed more money, covered any comes. Summer took his ash and drove. Cash stash pouring in, fall debit up my nose. How dumb I was, 21 and way out of control. The cops kicked down the door, she did a line right off my. Said that's one way to go down. Knew I was hard as rock. Knew I was hard as rock. You're not gonna push me around. You can't get me down, down, down. You're not gonna push me around. You can't get me down, down, down. Bars New World, who could I trust? Killers were nice, smugglers were rough. Met a man named Banquet, sharp and witty. Gave me books about money and cities. Taught me roads only years could have say I have a new girlfriend. And I know it sounds so old, but Cupid got me in a chokehold. And I'm afraid I might give in. Towels on the mat, my white flag is waving.
No, my
I mean, she even cooks me pancakes and out the salsa when my tummy aches. If that ain't love, then I don't know what love is. We even got a secret handshake, and she loves the music that my band makes. I know I'm young, but if I had to choose her or the sun, I'd be one nocturnal son of a gun. Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got.
outlines your face.
Not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get a lot. Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. Not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get a lot. It's been a while since we talked last, and I'm trying hard not to talk fast. But Dad, I'm finally thinking I may have found the one type of girl that'll make you way proud of your son. And I know you heard the last song about the girls that didn't last long, but I promise this is on a whole new plane. I can tell by the way she says my name. I love it when she calls my phone. She even got a very own ringtone. If that ain't love, then I don't know what love is. It's gonna be a long drive home, but I know as soon as I arrive home, and I open the door, take off my coat and throw my bag on the floor, she'll be back into my arms once more, for sure. Like,
Alex, goodbye. No, my sword.
The wind rises.
take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. Not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get a lot.
Moment of birth.
Let me weave you a verse. Rain outlines your fate. No, my sword.
She's got a smile that'll make the most senile annoying old man bite his tongue. Not done. She's got eyes comparable to sunrise, and it doesn't stop there. Man, I swear. She's got porcelain skin, of course she's a 10, and now she's even got her own song. Moving on. She's got the cutest laugh I ever heard, and we can be on the phone for 3 hours. Not saying one word. And I would still cherish every moment. And when I start to build my future, she's the main component. Call it dumb, call it love, or whatever you call it. But everywhere I go, I keep a picture in my wallet like you. Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. Not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get a lot. Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. Not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get a lot.
Into the wind. Adorn my...
You're toast.
Justice is blindsided.
power. Your rhinestone eyes are like factories far away. Where the paralytic dreams that we all seem to keep drive on engines till they weep. Will future pixels in factories far away. So call the mainland from the beach. Show parties now washed up in bleach. The waves are rising for this time of year. And nobody knows what to do with the heat under sunshine pylons we'll meet while rain is falling like rhinestones from the sky.
till the day was gone, and I sat in regret
Let me read your verse. Know my sword.
things I've done, for all that I've blessed, and all that I've wronged, and dreams until my death.
Moment
I
of
will
birth.
Time to bring color. Rain outlines the
Feel this ancient power.
bring color. Rain outlines your fate.
Wind rises. Search for it.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I'm the better one. I won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know that you want me dead. I take prescriptions to make me feel okay. I know it's all in my head. I have these lucid dreams where I can't move a thing, thinking of you in my
Let me
bed.
read your verse. Know my sword.
You were my everything, thoughts of a wedding ring. Now I'm just better off dead. I'll do it over again. I didn't want it to end. Now watch it blow in the wind. I should've listened to my friends. Leave this shit in the past, but I wanted to last. You were made out of plastic, fake. I was tangled up in your drastic ways. Who knew evil girls had the prettiest face? You gave me a heart that was full of mistakes. I gave you my heart and you made heart break. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache.
Moment of
You
birth.
made my heart break again. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. Now you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me.
Rain outlines
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me.
One with wind and cloud. nature.
Silence!